Good morning, boys and girls. Today I would like to introduce a book to you called Speak Like Churchill, Stand Like Lincoln. So there are a couple of questions I would like you to think about before you decide whether you want to pick up this book and have a read. Do you want to be able to talk to the public with confidence? Do you want to be presentable and can capture the listener's attention and maintain their interest? Do you want to be a leader who can electrify your talk and motivate the audience? Well, if the answer for any of the three questions is a yes, then I think this book is a very useful book that you shouldn't miss. So some background information about Churchill and also Lincoln. As some of you may have known, Churchill is the Prime Minister of the UK a long time ago, and also he is widely regarded as one of the most famous and successful, leader in the history of mankind. And Abraham Lincoln, the former president of the US, okay, who is also a very famous leader in the history. So this book has 21 chapters with very straightforward pattern, okay, surrounded with quotations from the history's greatest speakers. And also it summarizes the techniques in a very simple and memorable language. And it shows how those techniques can be used today when writing or delivering a speech. For example, in the remarks of a CEO or in the school contest in which you want to, hold a club meeting, or you want to have like a meeting with the other leaders of different clubs. So I would like to illustrate, those techniques using two chapters in the book. The first one is the use of power line. Okay, the use of power line suggests that in each speech there must be a key message you would like to deliver, and to make the key message more memorable to the audience, the writer or the book suggests that we can use some opposite pairs, opposite attract to draw the attention. For example, you can see on the screen like present and past, beginning and end, dark and light, friend and foe, victory and defeat. Those opposite pairs can draw the attention very easily. For example, these are some quotes from Winston Churchill. This is not the end, no, not even the beginning of the end, but it is perhaps the end of the beginning. There is only one answer to defeat, and that is victory. So you can see those opposite pairs like defeat and victory. The second one is the use of power button. Okay, a power button is like something you should turn on, to show that the power line is coming up. So it is to make the power line stand out like a neon sign. Okay, so it's saying to the audience, ready, set, and please listen. The following thing is very important. So these are examples of power button with power line. I would say to the House, as I said to those who joined the government, I have nothing to offer but blood, toil, fears, and sweat. So my fellow American, pause. Ask not what the country can do for you, ask what you can do for the country. Okay, power button and power line. So the reason why I recommend this book to you all is it delivers practical advice for speakers of all level. All level, because 10 pages for each chapter is not really daunting to most of us. And also it shows how to apply the master tips and tricks to your speeches. And it emphasizes techniques to speak the language of leadership like a classical orator. So to end my sharing, I just want to share this quote from Abraham Lincoln. My best friend is a person who will give me a book I have not read. So today I have given you a book you have not read, and I hope that I can be your friend. And I hope that you will enjoy your reading journey. Thank you.